Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the type of glassware. There are the following types of glassware: test tube. Second is the beaker, graduated cylinder. First is the test tube. What is the test tube? They are used to heat and hold the reagents for observing the chemical reaction. These are of uniform thickness and withstand mechanical and thermal shocks. Tubes with rim are preferred when the reagent in a tube is directly heated on the flame with test tube holder. Second is the beakers. Beakers are the glass container that come in a variety of sizes and can be used for mixing and transporting the fluids. Heating fluid over an open flame and containing the chemicals during a reaction. While most beakers have graduated volume measurements into their glass, the measurements are an approximation that may deviate from the actual volume by the 5%, making them the unsuitable for use as a precision measurement tool. Next is the graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinders are tall, narrow container used for measuring the volume. While they are more accurate than beakers, measuring their contents to within 1% of actual volume, they are not used for quantitative analysis of fluids that require a high degree of precision. Graduated cylinders are fitted with a bumper ring, a ring that shields the glass from impacting the work surface if the cylinders knock over. Bumper rings should be placed near the graduated cylinder top for maximum protection. Next is the pipettes. Pipettes are used to draw the precisely measured amount of fluid from a receptacle. Volumetric pipettes are crafted to draw one specific quantity of a sample, while Mohr's pipettes have the graduations that allow the lab worker to draw the varying amount of a sample. Squeeze the bulbs are most often used to draw the fluid into the pipette. A lab worker squeezes the bulb as she places the pipette open and into the solution and releases the bulb to collect her desired quantity of fluid. Next, next is the Pasteur pipette. Pasteur pipettes, pipette named for a Louis Pasteur, are similar to eyedroppers and can transfer a small amount of liquid. They are made of glass or plastic and have a separate bulb and are not graduated for a certain volume. So in today's class I discuss about the Pasteur pipette and pipettes, graduated cylinder. There are the types of the glassware. Thank you.